Athena. Okay, now let's do your chest. You want to scratch your chest? Come here. Come on. Oh, I already did your butt. I already did your butt. Come here. Come here. Now you gotta go the other way. This way. This way. There we go. She's so funny. She is the most amazing dog. I just love her. She's a little older dog, but she's perfect. Perfect in every way, and there's not a thing wrong with her. We took her in for a full checkup. Did everything. Blood work. Showing your best side, are ya? Are you showing your best side? Huh? And stand. Just stand. And go through your ball. Let's go through your ball, Stanley. Come on, take it outside.